Hello subscribers. I know that unboxing videos are a bit boring, so this is a quick one. Today I will be unboxing a Bosch PBD 40 corded bench drill. It arrived very well packaged, as you just saw a bit earlier. Here is a close-up of the specifications. Let's open the box. This is the base plate. The main body of the drill is mounted on top of the base plate. There is an instruction booklet and a small fence. This is the clamping device to hold down the workpiece. I will assemble the drill. First, slide the pedestal into the base plate. Don't forget to fit the clamp first. Then tighten the grub screw. The Allen key was in the packaging, I nearly threw it out. Install the fence. Oh, and yes, read the instructions occasionally. All done. Go through and check the operation of all the parts of the drill to familiarize myself with its operation. Read the instructions one more time. This is the front view of the main control panel of the drill. The red knob adjusts the three items. Switching on the screen. Switching on the drill. And pushing the button switches the drill off. Turn the button to reactivate the controls. The black button adjusts the speed of the drill in a variable manner. The red knob on the side of the drill changes from slow speed. Maximum 850 revolutions per second. To high speed up to 2500 revolutions per second. The four small buttons under the screen have functions as follows. The first and second buttons activate and deactivate the depth measuring feature of the drill. The third button activates the red laser crosshairs. The fourth button switches on and off a light which focuses on the workpiece. There is also a flip-up guard to isolate the rotating chuck when the drill is in operation. This drill has a keyless chuck and a red ring on the chuck. Locks in the drill bit after it is fitted. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it informative.